Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subject Zoology. Second year pre-medical, chapter number 15. Topic name is question number 9, page number 35. Short definition. Number 1 is homeostasis. Definition of homeostasis is the ability or tendency to maintain internal stability in an organism to compensate for the environmental changes. An example of homeostasis is the human body keeping an average temperature of 98.6 degrees. Thermoregulation. Thermoregulation is a process that allows your body to maintain its core to internal temperature. Another definition of thermoregulation. Thermoregulation mechanisms are designed to return your body to homeostasis. This is a state of equilibrium. A healthy internal body temperature falls within a narrow window. Feedback mechanism. In feedback mechanism, it is the general mechanism of nervous or the hormonal control and regulation in humans. Feedback system consists of a cycle event in which the information about the change is fed feedback into the system so that the regulator is the brain, can control the process. Hypertonic solution. A hypertonic solution is a particular type of solution that has a greater concentration of solutes on the outside of the cell when compared with the inside of the cell. In this figure, three types of solution: isotonic solution, hypertonic solution and hypotonic solution. Hypertonic solution. A hypertonic solution is any solution that has a lower osmotic pressure than another solution. In the biological field, this generally refers to a solution that has a less solute and more water than another solution. Three conditions: isotonic, hypertonic and hypertonic. Osmoconformers. Osmoconformers are the marine organisms that maintain an internal environment which is osmotic to their external environment. This means that the osmotic pressure of the organism's cell is equal to the osmotic pressure of their surrounding environment. Osmoconformers. Osmoconformers are mainly marine organisms that can live in the wide range of salinities. Osmoregulators. Osmoregulators are the type of aquatic organism that can live either in freshwater or marine habitats. Moreover, they actively regulate internal osmolarity independently from their external environment. Flame cell. A flame cell is a specialized excretory cell found in the simplest freshwater invertebrates, including platforms, rotifers, and nemertenians. These are the simplest animals to have a dedicated excretory system. Flame cells function like a kidney, removing waste material. Figure of flame cell or structure of flame cell. Cortical nephrons. There are two types of nephrons: superficial cortical nephrons, which have their plumuli in the outer cortex. They have shorter loop of Henle, which dip only into the outer medulla. They operate under the normal condition. Number 2 is juxtamedullary nephrons, which have their plumuli near the cortico-medullary border. Cortical nephrons. Cortical nephrons are set alongside the cortex and have a comparatively short loop of Henle, is known as cortical nephrons. Homeotherm. An organism that maintains its body temperature at a constant level, usually above that of environment, by its metabolic activity. Some points of poikilotherms and homeotherms. Pyrexia. Pyrexia is raised body temperature or fever. Fever is also known as pyrexia. Uremia. Uremia is a condition of having high level of urea in the blood. Urea is one of the primary components of the urine. It can be defined as excess of amino acid and protein metabolism and products such as urea and creatinine in the blood that would be normally excreted in the urine. Excretion. Excretion is the removal of waste product of metabolism from the body, or removal of the waste product from the body is called excretion. Tonicity. Tonicity refers to the strength. Tonicity refers to solution in a relationship to osmosis or relation of solute to solvent. Osmoregulators. Osmoregulators tightly regulate their body osmolarity, maintain constant internal condition. They are more common in animal kingdom. Osmoregulator activity controls salt concentration despite the salt concentration in the environment. An example is freshwater fish. Example of freshwater fish. Deamination. Ammonia is the excretive product produced by removal of amino group from amino acid, and this process is called deamination. Uricotalic. Uricotalic applied to organisms that excrete in the form of uric acid nitrogenous waste derived from the amino acid catabolism. Examples are insects, birds, and terrestrial reptiles. Metanephridia. A metanephridium, meta means after, is a type of excretory gland found in many types of invertebrates such as annelids, arthropods, and mollusca. In mollusca, it is known as anus organ. Figures show the metanephridia. Protonephridium. A protonephridium, proto means first, is a network of dead end tubule lacking internal opening found in the phyla Platyhelminthes, Numerae, Rotifers, and Chordata. They end are called flame cell if ciliated or solenocytes if flagellated. They function in osmoregulation. Lithotripsy. The kidney stone can be removed by the surgery. The kidney stones are removed through the lithotripsy. It is a technique to break up stones that form in the kidney, ureter, gallbladder by a shock wave, which are generated outside the body. Ectotherms. An ectotherms animal that is dependent on the external sources of body heat is called ectotherms. Ecto means outside. Countercurrent multiplier. The interstitial fluid of the kidney is gradually concentrated from the cortical to the medullary part. Thus, the inner medulla is highly concentrated with the presence of urea and through a mechanism of countercurrent multiplier. This mechanism causes gradual osmotic outflow of the water from the filtrate back to the kidney as it passes downward in the descending loop of Henle. Ascending loop of Henle does not allow the outflow of water from its filtrate. Instead, actively transports sodium ion into the kidney terrestrium to sustain its high concentration. Isotonic solution. An isotonic solution refers to a two solutions having the same osmotic pressure across a semi-permeable membrane. This state allows for the free movement of water across the membrane without changing the concentration of solutes on either side. Example of isotonic solution is a red blood cell. Water moves inside and moves outside is isotonic solution. Monotelic. An monotelic organism excretes nitrogenous waste as a soluble ammonia. Most of the aquatic animals, including protozoans, crustaceans, platyhelminthes, cnidarians, porifers, echinoderms, fishes, larvae, tadpoles of the amphibians are monotelic. A urotelic organism excretes excess of nitrogen as urea. Peritubular capillaries. In the renal system, peritubular capillaries are the tiny blood vessels which supply by the afferent arterioles that travel alongside nephron, allowing the reabsorption and secretion between the blood and the inner lumen of the nephron. This figure shows the peritubular capillaries. Poikilotherms. Poikilotherms, an organism that cannot regulate its body temperature except by the behavioral means such as fasting or burrowing. Nephron. Simple definition of nephron is the structure and function unit of kidney. Another definition, nephron is the functional unit in the kidney consisting of a glomerulus and its associate tubule through which glomerular filtrate passes before emerging as urine. In this figure, structure of nephron. Thanks guys for watching this lecture. यहाँ पे हमारा चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया. चैप्टर नंबर 15 हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया. अब नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम स्टार्ट करेंगे नया चैप्टर.